How to export Office 365 Mailbox. It's quite difficult to manually backup or export your Office 365 mailbox. That's why we are introducing Regain Office 365 Export Tool. This software allows you to export your Office 365 mailbox into 8+ formats and offers cloud migration feature. You can easily download this software from our official website. Just go to Google and search for Regain Office 365 Export Tool. On Google search, open this website. This is our official website. From here you can buy our software or try out the free trial. To download the free trial of this software, simply click on the free download button. Once the software file is successfully downloaded, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. In the installation wizard, simply follow a few on-screen prompts, and the software will be successfully installed on your device. You can see it's too easy to install this software on your device. Now let's run it and see how this software can export Office 365 Mailbox. This is the dashboard of this software. Here first you will need to connect your Office 365 account. For that, click on the Account Login option. You can see there are two login methods, Basic Authentication and Multi-Factor Authentication. In Basic Authentication, simply select the server type as Office 365, enter Office 365 email address in the username field, enter the correct password in the password field, and finally click on the Login Now button. But in this tutorial, I will show you how to connect through the multi-factor authentication method. To begin with this method, first click on the Login Now button. Here enter your Office 365 email address and click on the Next button. Enter the correct password of your Office 365 account and click on the Sign In button. If you have linked an Authenticator app or turned on the two-step verification in your Office 365 account, you will see this window. Here enter the verification code and click on the Verify button. As a result, the Office 365 account will be connected and all the folders of your Office 365 account will be imported into this software. Now click on the Mailbox Backup option. You can see here you have the option to backup or export your Office 365 mailbox into PST, EML, EMLX, MSG, HTML, MBOX, ICS, VCF, and PDF format. For this tutorial, let's select the PST format. Then click on the Browse button. Select a location where you want to save the output PST file and click on the OK button. If your mailbox size is too large and you want to split the output PST file, then select the Split PST option and select the PST file size up to you want to split. Finally, click on the Download Now button. As a result, the export process will be started, and once it's done, the output PST file will be successfully saved on your device. Here you can see the output PST file is successfully saved. Following the same procedure, you can backup or export your Office 365 mailbox into any other formats as per your needs. Besides the export feature, this software also supports the cloud migration feature. Here, click on the Cloud Migration option. Select your desired email clients. You can also select another Office 365 account. But for this tutorial, I am selecting Gmail. On selecting Gmail, this window appears. Here you can also connect more email accounts. But for now, let's connect the Gmail account. First, make sure Gmail or G Suite is selected. Then enter your Gmail address. Enter the correct password. Here, make sure to enter app passwords in case two-step verification is turned on in your Google account. Now, simply click on the Login button. In this wizard, make sure the IMAP option is selected and then click on the Migrate Now button. As a result, the migration will be started. And depending on your internet speed and your mailbox size, it may take several minutes to complete the migration. Here you can see, the file conversion process has been completed message pop-ups. That means the migration is successful. Now to verify the migration, let's open Gmail. Here you can see my selected folders and emails have been successfully migrated from Office 365 Mailbox. That's all the features of our Regain Office 365 export tool.